In this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy and share text from your Qwen app using your smartphone. If you'll find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Now, if you have initiated any chat in Qwen app, it is pretty much simple to share it. There are two ways you can do this. One, if you scroll down to the end of your chat, you will see this option here. For copy, this is a copy option. To copy, just tap on it once and you see copying to clipboard was successful. Now you can exit and go anywhere. You can go to WhatsApp and share it with your friend, or you can share it on a Google document. Alternatively, there is another way to copy, and that is just to long press anywhere on your text and you'll see we have this option called copy. If you go ahead and tap on it, again, your text will be copied. And now to go ahead and share it, just exit once you have copied and look for the app you want to share. For my case, I want to share that text on Google Docs. So I'll go ahead and open a new Google document. So here's my docs. And now I'm on a new and blank document here. To paste it or to transfer it here, just go ahead and just tap on the pop-up text here. If I just go ahead and tap on it, it will go ahead and transfer all the details here. And because it has lost formatting, you might want to go ahead and make some changes. Alternatively, another way to paste, you can just go ahead and long press anywhere, and then you'll see an option to paste. So if you go ahead and tap on paste here, you can see your text will be transferred directly to your document. And now look at that. I have my document here that I've just transferred from Qwen AI chat to Google Docs. So that's how you can copy and transfer text from Qwen AI chat to Google Docs or even WhatsApp or Word document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.